Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of restoring my old go-kart. In this video I'll be doing some framework. I'm going to be trying to sand off all the paint, repaint it, primer it, and do all that. I also have a couple things to do with the motor beforehand. I got big plans for it, so I hope y'all get ready. Might be able to even add hydraulic brakes to the go-kart. Small air filter so that we could put it on our Hemi Predator engine because the kit did not come with it. So I'm going to do that before I get into working on the frame of the go-kart. It came in red, and I was wanting to match it up with this red of the other air filter, but as you can see, it's a lighter red, so it's going to go right there. Okay, so the gas tank has to be cleaned and the motor has to be cleaned a little bit. The gas tank, you can see, has some dirt and grime on it. Okay, so I'm gonna change out the fuel jet into my Predator engine into a bigger hole. So that means that it would actually allow more gas to go through to the carburetor, which means that it'd give me more power, but it'll use up more gasoline in the long run. So we get more oomph in the motor. So this has a bigger hole right there and a huge hole down here. So we're going to stick it in a new carburetor, which we finally got out the jet where we messed it up. And so all we got to do is put that in there and then tighten it up right there. So after taking off the carburetor like 5 times, even though I didn't have to, that was an accident, I finally got changed out the fuel jet into one that has a bigger hole. So in theory, it should give this thing more power because more fuel should go past through the carburetor and burn faster. So let's see how it sounds. The difference, don't it?
Ground it out over there.
They just finally got the motor back into the 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Just a random insert in this video, so.
One eternity later.
This, I ordered some hydraulic brakes off of Amazon for like $23. It came with the whole shebang. The box came in damaged, but that shouldn't be much of a problem. So it comes with the actual brakes. Filter, brake fluid is right here, even though it leaked a little bit through shipping. There's the two. Right. So that thing is welded right there, perfectly fine. It actually is really tight. We welded the wrenches to the frame of the go-kart and also added it to the screws that screw into the brake caliper. Some rigging, and hopefully to stay there when riding it. We sanded, grinded, and also primered the paint back here. So that's ready for painting. We still gotta do the rest of the go-kart. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next video we'll be finishing up the go-kart and possibly painting it and maybe being able to attach the motor to the back. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed and I'll see y'all on the next one. Goodbye.